Guys, you're welcome to this video. So in this video, guys, I'm just basically going to be talking about how you can actually use your lot sizes during this challenge. Okay, so how you can use your lot size is just very simple. Okay, the challenge is if you have $100, it's very simple. Okay, it will be very easier for you to join this challenge. Okay, if you have a $1,000, $10,000, any amount you have in trading. Okay, but this challenge, I will be challenging myself to trade a $10 account to 1,000. Then once we hit 1,000, we make some withdrawals and still hit 10K. Okay, that's just the main target. Okay, although why do I need to do this? I want to do this because I need money. Okay, I need money, guys. I'm planning on starting a company next year, and that company is a logistic company, and I need nothing less than 10 million naira in Nigeria here just to start up that business. And yes, it will be a very, fantastic one. So I decided to give myself I was like, okay, instead of looking for investors or people that can take a share of the company, I say, okay, it's better I start it myself. When you have, 80% of your company, like shares, you get to earn more. You get so I just put it that way, and yes. So guys, that is why I decided to start this challenge with the lowest amount I could, guys. So I'm starting with a $10 challenge. I'm starting with a $10 account to grow these guys, and $10,000 is roughly 15 million naira, and that's what I'm looking out for. And if I can hit like 8,000 or 9,000 or $8,500, it's still cool. But this challenge, guys, I'm going to go. Even if I lose, I'm still depositing more. And guys, trust me, there is no place here. We're just only here for seriousness, and we're going to be doing this consistently until, guys, don't miss this episode. Don't miss any part of these videos, guys. We're about to hit the market, guys. So on this video, guys, let me not forget, on this video, I want you guys to go to your Chrome or your Google. Just type my FX books position size calculator, and you get this website. Okay, click on it, and yes. So once you come here for your position sizing, you have to think about percentage. Okay, when you're about to trade, you should have analyzed your chart, have a point of interest, and have where your stop loss and take profit should be, right? So when you have that, you have to calculate the stop losses for the take profit and stop losses for the stop losses. So when you have to calculate the pips that will be covered for the take profit, and the pips that will be covered for the stop loss. So right now, I dropped a trade. I dropped a setup on the group on I think USD card. Yes. So when you want to trade, you should ask yourself, how many percent should I be risking? Okay. So for a $10,000 account, I recommend risking 0.5% or 0.25%, which is going to be, okay, 1% is $100. Yes, 1% is $100. Okay. So risking $100, if you're on a challenge, you're risking $100. Some pro firms do recommend, if you lose, do put their rules as 12% as the last drawdown rule. Okay. So you should think, in percentage. When they say that you should be risking 1% per trade, no. When you risk 1% per trade, that means if you take 12 trades, you will lose that account. If you lose 12 trades, you will lose that account. Okay. So what will you now do? What you will do now is that you have to, minimize what that drawdown percentage that is being given to you, for you to trade more and to hold the account and to grow it within a short period of time or within some time, and you consistently make it to the top just like that. You need to think, how can I minimize my my losses. Okay, so what you need to do now is you can decide to, okay, since if we are to risk 1%, we will be losing the account on 12 trades. But if you are to risk 0.5%, we are going to be losing the account in 24 trades after 24 losses. Okay, so if you're now to use 0.25%, that means we'll be losing that account only when we have 48 losses, which is going to be very, very hard, guys, which is going to be very, very hard for us to take 48 trades and lose 48 trades. If you lose even 5 trades consistently, guys, you should quit. You should just quit and try to, restructure everything back and have a better edge than that. Okay, that is not normal. When you lose 5 trades in a row, guys, ask yourself a question. Guys, you're not yet profitable. Just try to adjust some things. There's something going wrong. There's something going wrong. Either you're not reading the price well, or you're not getting. Just try to make an amendment on that. Okay, so you don't need to take 10 trades before you adjust something. No, you need to be very, very wise. Okay, so on this $10 account challenge here, so we're going to be risking 20%. 20% of $10 is going to be $2. Okay, so why am I risking 20%? Because 20% is very low. It's $2. Okay, it's just a $10 account. It's not that big. If it was to be a bigger account, we'll be risking lower than that. Okay, so right here, if you are to risk, let's say 1.5%, which is going to be like, let's say 15%, which is going to be like $1.50. So you just come here, you see currency pair, you see account currency, you see account size, you see risk ratio in percentage. How many percent are you risking? Is it 100% of the account? Is it 50% of the account? Is it 75% of the account? Is it 25% of the account? Is it 10%? Is it 5%? Is it 1%? Is it 0.5%? Any percentage you are to any percentage you want to risk, you just put it there. Okay, so right now, first of all, let's say we're on USD card that I sent the analysis to the group for. On USD card now, I want to make this clear, guys. Or let's say Euro USD, you just come here, check for it, guys. Every pair is here except from, I think, indices is not here. So when you put Euro USD here, you say, what is your account size? That is the next thing. And is your account in USD or in which currency? You get to come and choose it here. Okay, but my account is in dollars. Okay, so what is your account size? Our account size during this $10 challenge is just $10. Okay, $10. What is our risk to reward? Sorry, what is our risk ratio percentage? Okay, how many percent are we risking for this $10? Okay, so I want to risk 15%. Okay, you can see it here. I've already put it there. Or if you don't understand percentage, you can swap it with money. You can see, swap it with money. How much do you want to risk? You put $1 there. You can see how many pips do you want to use. You use, okay, the stop loss we have there is, I think, 10 pips. Okay, so after everything, you just tap on calculate. You can see for us to use 10 pips, okay, and we want to lose $1 only, we are to use 0.01 lots. You can see it here. This is the result here. So for risk to reward here is going to be a 10% risk. Okay, for us to use $1, it's going to be a 10% risk. And how many units is it going to be? That is a 1,000 units. And the lot sizing we're going to use for that 10 pips is going to be 0.01, guys. 0.01 lot size, which is a micro, guys. So I don't know if you understand what I'm saying, but let's do another example. Let's say if we are trading Euro USD now, okay, and our account is on USD, and the account size is on $10,000. Okay, I want to swap it percentage now. I want to risk 1%, okay, of that account, and our stop loss is 10 pips. So let's calculate this for us. That means for us to lose $100 for a 10 pips account, for a 10 pips stop loss, and for a $10,000 account size, we are going to be using a one standard lot size. That means every pip movement will be reading $10 each. Okay, so right now let's look at this again. Let's go to USD CAD. So on USD CAD, guys, I'm looking for it here. Okay, this is USD CAD. So let's say you have $100 now. Let's use another scenario here. Let's use another account size. If you have $100 and you want to be risking 1%, so if you don't want to put it in percentage, you can just tap on this swap with money. You can see you want to risk on $100 account, you want to risk $5, right? So right now, and you have a 10 pip stop loss, or you have a 20 pip stop loss, 20 pip stop loss. So tap on this calculate. It's going to recommend for us to be using 0.03 lot size, and the risk ratio here is going to be 5%. Okay, so guys, this is just very simple, guys. It's very simple. I just hope you guys you understand this. This is just the way I calculate my trades. Although I have it on my head, but this is just how I started it, and everything was making sense. Okay, once you give me the stop loss and everything, I just come here, input everything, then that is it, guys. So let's just quickly do the $10 account risk again. Okay, swap with percentage. So I want to risk 15% of that $10, and on a 10 pip stop loss that we have as that trade, so we're going to be risking what, $1.5 per trade. That means for us to risk $1.5, if we are to lose roughly, let me say 7 times, no, if we are to lose 8 times, no, 7 times, okay, we have what, 1.5, a $1 account remaining. Okay, a $1 in our account remaining. So guys, rain is falling and there's noise, and yes, I just hope you guys you understand this. It's very simple, and guys, this is just all you need. Once you understand risk management, everything else becomes very simple. It will be very hard to lose your account. If you understand risk management, you now believe and see how hard it can be for you to lose all your account on any trade. So guys, just watch this video. It has been recorded. Watch this video and watch it all over again. If you don't understand anything here, continue watching until you understand. And if you have any question, just message me on the just drop your comments down below and I will reply them. See you guys on the next one. Bye.